Saw this recipe on TikTok and wanted to try it out. Burger stuffed onion rings. I cut my onion like this and carefully sectioned them out. Damn it, I messed one up. Oh well. Go Broncos! Use 2 pounds of ground beef. Close enough. I used the following seasoning. Season the meat. Use this much cheese. Then mix it all together. Bam! I used 2.4 ounces per onion ring. Here goes nothing. Bigger ring. I used 3.5 ounces on that one. Damn, leftover meat. There you go. Wrap each onion ring with bacon. I used thick sliced bacon and found it a little difficult wrapping it through the onion ring at times, but I got them all wrapped. I used 2 to 3 slices of bacon on each onion ring. They are ready to go. Turn my traeger onto 250 degrees. Put them on after it was warmed up. Went and watched the Broncos game. After an hour and a half, it was ready for barbecue sauce. Cover both sides with the sauce and I let it cook for another 15 minutes. Bam! Look at that! Slices pretty good, tastes pretty dang good as well. Cook the bacon to how crispy you like it. Let's go!